Don't scratch the fresh paint.
Damn!
God,
oh yeah! Oh, kick sand on me, Roman! She's buried, fellas. Oh, and I'm out here by myself now, so. All right, it's day 2 of the 2025 Palmetto ADV Rally. Waking up, beautiful camp. This location this year is, it's on the same property, but way better. Lake view right there. It's gonna hang out it around the rally grounds today, but they got an obstacle course back here, and we're gonna go back there and check that out. I think you got to go through a little bit of a creek crossing. They got some, I don't know what all they got set up, but I want to jump on my bike first and go check it out. They may ride a little bit of dirt bike action in it, and today I get to test ride a Ducati Desert X, which I'll have a whole nother video on that, which may come out for this one, who knows. But let's get on this bike and let's get after it. Yep. Alrighty then, it's time to go Gator Road. As we take this way.
Hey,
now we're back on it, going to the.
Hang on. I want to come get a video.
Going to the practice course now. Now that side's way better than that right side. Yeah. We have made it to the sand. Knocked the hell out of a root. Thought I bent my front wheel.
Y'all going in there? I guess. Stay in contact.
So kind of challenge. Oh, to the trees.
Bing! Bing!
How can you not have fun riding motorcycles today? Puts a smile on your face.
I'd like to take a minute to thank Rick Stewart, the SC Moto Lawyer, for sponsoring today's video. If you and your motorcycle go sliding down a dirt road like you're stealing second base in a baseball game and you break some ribs, there's not much he's going to be able to do for you. But if you're ever involved in a motorcycle accident that's not your fault, he'll be the man you need to call. So call Rick Stewart, the SC Moto Lawyer, at 1-855-GET-MOTO. Now back to the video.
Hammer the shit out of that subscribe button.
Fun. What you think about hosting the what, 4th rally in a row?
This is the 4th rally, and I'll tell you what, this is awesome.
Awesome.
Bro, I mean, we've got a GS course out here today. You know, and we're not here, we're actually on a better part of the property.
Oh yeah.
I mean, what do you guys think about it?
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't matter what I think. What do you think?
This is where we was last year, which was okay. Like I told y'all this morning, area over there is much better. And of course we got Cheyenne hosting it. Thank you,
baby. Boom.
We got Roby 1 out here ripping some sand today, and good old Chandler Bing again. I guess this has become my rally crew, I guess. I'm loving it because they're good guys.
Oh, these are the KTM boys, from my understanding. I'm Suzukiing it with them today.
So I'm fixing to get on this and try to rip around a little bit. Let's see what I can do on that.
Let's do it.
I'm a rookie.
Bruce! Yeah!
I wasn't close enough to you, Roby. I choked it down like a rookie. I'm gonna try to get Roby 1 on here. Get him close this time. I'll let him kick sand on me. I don't care.
Yeah, hammer it.
Oh yeah! Oh, kick sand on me, Roby! That's fun. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna see if well, as y'all can see, I did something not good here. The caution tape wrapped up on my.
Oh, look at this! Look at this teeter.
Man, sprocket right here. I corrected my mistake. I'm off now again. We hit some logs on the mighty DR 400.
Oh, that.
We hit some logs. I don't know about the teeter totter. It looks kind of sketchy. What you think? The teeter totter looks kind of sketchy, don't it?
It's a little long.
I'll hit it on this bike, hell with it. This bike can handle it.
Yeah, you can handle it, moto Grump.
We're gonna take this trail back to camp. I seen y'all seen me on camera jumping Cheyenne's bike off the teeter totter. I didn't do nothing too crazy on my bike, but coming down here I hit a root and I bent my front wheel, so we're gonna have to try to fix that because I still got a lot of miles to do after this rally. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. But we're gonna ride a little bit because it ain't affecting it because it's tubed. It ain't losing air, but screwed up my rim, screwed it up. Oh God, mud. That's slippery right there too. Oh, another one. Oh, another one.
Looking like a ginger bear over here. Big root. Oh shit, root.
Try not to smack another root. A lot of them in here. Back through the water we go.
I missed it. Shit, missed it.
I got back to camp, but check this out.
I'm in
Let me show y'all.
Okay. But I ride with some guys.
How bent that is.
Way,
We're gonna try to hammer that back out straight because I got like 12 to 1,500 more miles to do after I leave here. So we'll see what kind of ingenuity we can come up with.
right in the middle.
Hercules.
Oh.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's right.
Super Duke.
Super Duke.
Motorcycle riding badass.
This is a professional stand.
Yeah, it's professional. Bucket. Bucket.
This is like a track. This is like a track stand.
Huh?
What'd you hit?
The root.
You hit reality.
It's got one right there too. That might. Yeah, I think that's been there.
Oh baby, look at that.
Woo! You want a couple more spoons?
This should get the front tire is usually pretty easy.
Okay.
We're hearing banjos in a minute.
It's always an adventure.
Of course, this guy. I mean, not only is he strong, he's got a buddy.
I'm gonna let Duke do his thing on this.
Stand on one
Watch
end.
the paint.
Yeah, don't scratch the fresh paint.
Damn!
God, there you go.
More wound.
I got a first aid
How'd you
kit.
do that?
I just whacked it. Hold on, I got a first aid kit too.
Smash his dang finger.
Smashed his damn finger.
Didn't even react.
Let's keep my thumb way out of the way this time.
It'll put you on cross county soon.
That rim's a lot tougher.
You think it is?
than I expected. Look at it and see if it's moving.
Pretty good at lubing it up, aren't you?
Duke it, put a little spit on it.
Oh Lord, he's gonna make me say hot chili on that thing.
Give her a little bit more fame. Bring her back from the dead.
Also, yes. Hammer the shit out of that thumbs up button.
There you go.
Because he hammered the shit out of his thumb.
Oh, that's smooth. That's
Got a flat spot in the wheel, but it got in there to protect.
Yeah, that's
protect
nowhere
the
near.
bead.
That's nowhere near the this gap that you had before. You should be good on that.
Yeah.
You're solid.
Yeah, yeah. Good to go. Good to go.
Dude came through.
Dude, appreciate it, dude.
Bashed his thumb and everything.
If y'all want to go subscribe to, you do tell them what it is. Mayo Moto.
Oh yeah, Mayo Moto. Just me screwing around in the shed.
Go subscribe because he knows his stuff about bike work. We got the wheel back on. Everything seems good to go. It's holding air, which it should because it's a tube. I'm gonna take it out here on the pavement and make sure it don't vibrate on me too bad because it's still flat spotted. I'm X60 and no wobbling. Everything seems normal. So I think we're good to go. Run down here to town to get me some snack on. They're gonna go see the Blue Angels, I think, and get some more footage from the rally later. I got to get all this baby powder off of me. I'm back over here at the sand pit, see if I can make it up this hill, see what it does on the big bike. Oh shit, nope. I'm stuck. Now we can see what it feels like to get out of the sand. I told myself I was gonna not play on it hard anymore because I got to ride this thing a long ways, but she's buried, fellas. And I'm out here by myself now, so I think I can get it out though, some kind of way. Seen this technique done before. See if I can do it. Oh yeah, a little heavy though. Oh, not good. All right. I'm stuck real good now, fellas. Well, had my bike stuck, got it unstuck, dropped it. Now I can't pick it up. It's buried. Too much sand, can't get it. So I had to call for backup. Well, after a lot of fighting, had to wait on help to get this thing out. It poured gas everywhere. Chain got knocked off the sprocket. It was just a catastrophe. Should have known better, but you know how that goes. Now I'm gonna park it right here. I gotta do a little bit of bike maintenance and get this thing ready for Florida tomorrow. So see what we can do with it. Y'all seen how bad it was stuck, but it poured gas all over the tank. All over here on this bag is probably soaked with fuel. I actually got the thing ripped off of it. Be all right though. The chain, it's super tight for some reason. Oh, it's back to normal now. Since it went through the water, so I just put it up on the center stand, check everything, clean it out. Should be okay. But you see the beautiful campsite we had. A lot of great people here, and I'm gonna do bike maintenance on this, so it's about where I'll end this video. Hope y'all got to see a little bit of the grounds and what it was all about. Had some bad luck today, but hopefully everything's still gonna be all right. We're gonna be heading to Florida. Well, I'm gonna be heading to Florida tomorrow, leaving here from the rally, which will be Sunday, and making my way towards the Panhandle to Manatee Springs State Park, where I'll be jumping on the Florida Adventure Trail on Monday. So follow along for all those videos. That should be a good series. Finish out the mission I started 2 years ago. But if you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell wherever it's at, so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. Follow along with us, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Now I'm tired. I got a chauffeur right now, Chandler Bean. Oh, beep. Oh yeah, beep. Don't hit no roots. Yeah, you gotta stay away from the roots. The roots. Drop. There you go. Hey, what's up? Both in the picture there. What's up? Woo! Looks like we're on this bike together.
All right, we are here at the Palmetto ADV Slow Race 2025. You got your very own bearded Grump. He's going for it. Look at the skills, folks. I mean, he's even got his shower shoes going. See if we can get it, folks. Can he get it?
36-16.
36-16 for the boy.